you the king of the Jews?
You say so.
I am not a Jew, am I? Your own nation and the chief priests have handed you over to me. What have you done?
My kingdom is not from this world. If my kingdom were from this world, my followers would be fighting to keep from being handed over to the Jews. But as it is, my kingdom is not from here.
So you are a king?
You say that I am a king. For this I was born, and for this I came into the world, to testify to the truth. Everyone who belongs to the truth listens to my voice.
What is truth? I find no case against him, but you have a custom that I release someone for you at the Passover. Do you want me to release for you the king of the Jews? Look, I am bringing him out to you, to let you know that I find no case against him. Here is the man. Crucify him yourself. I find no case against him. Where are you from? Do you refuse to speak to me? Do you not know I have the power to release you and the power to crucify you?
You would have no power over me unless it had been given from above. From then on, Pilate tried to release him, but the Jews cried out, "If you release this man, you are no friend of the emperor. Everyone who claims to be king sets himself against the emperor.
Here is your king.
Crucify him!
Shall I crucify your king?
We have no king but the emperor!" My Lord, why have you forsaken